Okay, Friday morning here. We're going to start on the trenches for the geothermal tubes, which would be cool. Nice brisk morning with dew everywhere. See what my mud puddle looks like this morning. You know, could be worse, I guess. Has been worse. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, so the good news is, it looks like it's firm enough that I can actually mark my corners out today. Or tomorrow, because I'll be busy today. Still lots of water in here. So guys, do me a favor. When you watch these videos, leave a comment. Let me know what I'm doing right. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Are they too long? Are they too slow? Let me know. Give me some feedback. Also, if you could press that like button, that helps me out some. Lets me know what's going on. Alright, let's see. We will see. Alright. Okay, so I throw this video in, even though I included it in the video titled Finally Getting Started, but only 6 of you watched that video, so I kind of doubt that you've seen it. This basically just shows how I made the slinky loops. I have this table with circles set up and some stop blocks for my tubes to land at. You just pull it off the coil, just place them in place, and then tie them up with the zip ties. Took forever. It worked pretty quickly with my son working with me, but when I was doing it by myself, it took hours. Full disclosure, I figured out how to make these loops at YouTube University. So if you haven't done so, go back and watch that video, Finally Getting Started. I share lots of details on what I'm going to do with the geothermal heat, etc. I better make about 48 inches wide. Okay. slinky laid out along the trench getting ready to drop in. A couple of these I had to lengthen the leads by removing one of the loops. Every loop I took off gave me an extra 12 feet. All in all, I guess pretty well ahead of time, but adjustments needed to be made.
Before we start putting anything in, I'm gonna let him get that other one started, bud, if that's okay.
Fine with me. So this one is the one that goes all the way to the end. And it's got one red stripe on it. The other one, the short lead, goes to the input. And it's got two red stripes on it.
No, I did not get in the trench. I have my camera on the end of a stick that I put at the bottom of the trench. The excavator did get in the trench a couple of times. His estimation was there's so much stone in the walls that it wasn't going anywhere. And I'd have to agree with his assessment.
And like I say, that's good pipe. I mean, we put a lot of this in water line, not geothermal. But I mean, that stuff's good. It's tough.
Reasonably impressed with the price of it too.
Yeah.
They're not very cheap, but not terribly expensive.
No.
I paid 50 cents a foot or 49 cents a foot or something like that.
The trenches were supposed to be 9 feet deep. I think he got fairly close. Towards the end, he got a little shallower,
However you want it, buddy.
but with the backfill on top of it, I'm sure it's 8 or 10 feet deep, which is what I wanted.
If you want to scoot it down, then that means he doesn't have to dig as far.
I started him on the other side of that trench. So it's however you want to do it.
I'm good with it there. I don't see any reason to fix it.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yep. Yep.
Ain't broke, don't.
Great shot of him backfilling. So wouldn't you know it, 5 out of 6 of these loops, when I rolled them up backwards. So the end was closest to the entrance to the house. Had to unroll them and then re-roll them up forward. And I need to bring them back to the work area.
Okay, it's about 1:30 in the afternoon, 1:45, and we have got 3 out of 6 of these tubes drained set, which is actually fairly impressive. Ground every ground. Bad news is you can't get there from here. It doesn't really matter where you're trying to go, you can't get there from here. Trapped in just a second. There we go. Into the house they go.
Michael and I unrolling the loop, getting ready to drop it in the trench. Finishing up backfilling. This was about 5 in the evening. They did work late. I was impressed. Came back the next day to finish the final grade. Looked really good.